4 is good. 5.
I said we do
5.
6.
Be a real man.
Pretty dope out here, huh?
Hey, you know what's a felony? Playing with little boy's penis?
That's not how it goes, bro.
I for sure filmed that. That's a good way to start a ride.
You all right, bro?
Good, buddy? Ah. This is pretty dope out here. Your leg fucked up?
I'll keep riding.
I think it's because you have your headlight on.
Dude, it's fucked up, bro.
I've never seen you go down like that.
That's what I get.
I'm fucking running.
We were just talking about that the other day, and I was like, I never really eat shit. Like, there I go. Next ride.
Straight concussion, bro.
This shit was first 5 minutes. I saw it earlier, and I was like, don't. God damn it.
There's a hole, bro.
Just take shit.
Hey, I did too, bro. It's because we're bald.
We just started riding, already 2 men down.
Pretty sure my shit's flat.
Yep.
My shit's flat.
Damn.
I'm happy, like, you didn't pop it where Dale decided to fall in that hole.
Josh got a flat, riding back on a flat tire. Got a tube in the truck, just hoping we got the tools we need. Alright, let's try this again. Take it right back to a buddy's house to change Josh's tires. Gotta check these spokes, guys. Josh got about 6 of them that were loose. I don't even know if they're screwed in. Sure enough, got a flat. One of them went right here too.
Check their tires. Yep, solid.
I gotta say I'm recording. You never know with these things. Sorry. That was sketchy.
Beer spot?
Yep. Beer spot.
Like when we transferred over to that park right there, I thought you were right behind me.
Mountains are kind of blue. Oh, my goodness.
Let's see what this view looks like. Back of the bike. I knew I was too close to you.
I had to stand up or else I wasn't gonna make it. That was sick as fuck.
That was cool. Oh shit.
Thanks, dude.
I slipped off my foot peg. Yeah, that was dope. There was one little over and to the left.
Yeah, I almost went straight over it.
And look at all that.
Let's get to the top of that ridge and have a beer.
First time riding this spot. We're kind of just going with the flow. right here.
You got Kragers on that.
Beer 30.
Name me one of them.
Thirsty.
I'll take a Coors. Sure. Yeah, well, those are one.
That's a wee bit.
Jeez.
All right, gas and beer. What you got in your fancy new fanny pack there?
The only thing that matters.
Oh fuck.
Just in case you're out here, you gotta take a dookie, you know. That's doodoo paper.
The lip really is blown out. Ooh. Yeah, let's go. Beach front.
Holy fuck, dude, I almost went down so bad back there. Oh.
Beavers made that for sure. Josh is all the way up in the water.
Trying to get the bike to cool down, huh? For manning up?
That was a big boy, dude.
Yeah, it was.
That thing was not small. That was bigger than all those ones that we see out
it's warm. You all good?
Missed it. I launched the bike like 30 feet.
Oh fuck.
That shit did a back.
Yeah, this fool came in between us and just fucking, dude, you're hauling ass. I just saw, all I see is this fool's bike like 30 feet over here. He's over here.
Bro, I hit a rock so fast and it just went.
Oh wow. Are you all right?
Yeah. Trying to tighten my backpack. Ow, that shit hurt.
A lot of hidden rocks. Jeez. Oh no, he goes down again. Thank you guys for watching the video for this long. We love all the comments. We're having a lot of fun filming these videos, just making us go ride all the time. And I think you guys need to go ride too. If you're even second guessing it, just do it. You'll be glad you did. Comment, subscribe. If you feel like getting in touch with us, you can definitely hit us up on Instagram, DM us or something. Other than that, just go ride, man.